in a fusion of sweat and snow and lust for blood sport. Alpenwiesel keeps moving all around the ski resort. Alpenwiesel, why kill?
Leisure.
Alpenwiesel, why torture?
Fun.
Alpenwiesel, I must stop you. Helga, get my gun. He's a mighty genetic mutation. From a science lab he came. But his maker, Adolf Daxter, was a genius out of his brain. Alpenwiesel, why kill?
Pleasure.
You torture, but why?
Fun.
Alpenwiesel, I must stop you. Helga, get me my gun. You have the strength of so many. You keep ripping at innocent skin. From the bowels of Satan you came, searching the Alps for blood sport sin. Alpenwiesel, why kill?
Pleasure.
Alpenwiesel, why torture?
Fun.
You bastard mutant, you must die. Helga, where the hell is my gun? So many skiers are tortured. Why must so many blonde beauties die? When will we kill this mutant? I'll hit him with my Volvo, I cry.